Do you believe a motorcycle factory can build cars out of wood? The owner learned that we professionally refine classic cars. Specially selected this Triumph 2000 from the warehouse to test our restoration skills. The whole process of wooden frame structure aging. None of the mechanical parts work properly. That's all aging and decay. This rhythm seems to make me rebuild the car again. See how we can give this car a new lease of life in 180 days. Without further ado, let's just drive. Let's check the condition of the vehicle first. It can be seen that the owner is very attentive to the protection of the vehicle. The vehicle appearance keys and components can still be opened and closed normally. Record the parts that need to be replaced and remove the appearance key next. The trunk and a thoughtful composition for the brothers. This styrofoam wire needs to be refurbished and laid. It seems that we need to rebuild the car and give the owner more money. Must add money. Hey. Finally saw the engine line up. The whole car rings everywhere except the engine. This dirt can be regarded as traveling thousands of miles to see me separate the engine. Do a full body clean for the engine first. The dirt that falls at the corners is brushed a little bit with a steel brush, and the rust is removed again. The engine is now much cleaner. The internal core components are handed over to the master, and all the wrapping motors are run and tested. The masters have undergone long repair tests. With a little extra power, we finally got the engine. Some of the classic cars we restored. The reason why the engine cannot run normally is mostly the aging and damage of the core parts. Replacing new keys saves time and effort compared to manual refurbishment, so sometimes we choose to buy new parts directly and replace them. When there is really no matching part, choose the wrong part. Our engine is waiting for the body to be refurbished and then get on the bus. The frame is all wood. After 76 years of vicissitudes, we will leave the inner shape G to a professional carpenter to remake a set. First, measure the cutting weight of the plate. Each cut plate is then reprocessed for the shape. Rubber shell rack pressure. After molding, it is hand carved to carve out the appearance of the instrument panel. In this way, our dashboard components will be refurbished. The refurbished dashboard is sent to the computer room to distribute enterprise varnish. It can resist scratches, protect the paint surface, and resist corrosion. Painting complete. The rest of the wooden parts are also refurbished in the same way. And that's pretty good, right? We will send the remaining interior to the Pengdian workshop for repair. Priority is given to high-quality leather materials. Draw circle size length cut leather. Cut to make a sponge according to the size of the leather. Paste double layer sponge fabric high and low density sponge for your driving journey. Put on our leather case. Isn't this texture coming up? Other inflated objects are made in the same way. The remaining body part can be sent to the brake room to break as a whole. Now let's do the plate reinforcement repair work on the car body. Slight deformation of plate tendons we repeatedly beat and adjust. Some seriously damaged places can only be recut and made. Just do it. Just cut plate. Upper turbine adjustment arc. Repeatedly adjust the curvature and flatness of the plate. Adjusted qualified plates can be welded on board. Check out this restored part. Our craft is still online. And this kind of rust river part with smaller diameter is often treated by iodine welding and grinding. And the tendon repair is done. Get the repaired parts on the car one by one for rib debugging. This step is to adjust the fit of the parts after the plate bar is repaired. Guaranteed to be consistent with the original car. Often the time-consuming step is drunk, so that it can stand the test of our memory. At the same time, all the wooden frames of the original car were replaced with new materials. Significantly extends the lifespan of the vehicle. At the same time, ensure that the original car settings are not damaged. After the car is finished, the bottom of the car will be handed over to the 7-room primer halfway through the journey. Then start the whole car putty repair. After scraping the putty, the whole car needs to be polished flat. This part is about whether the surface of the final body is smooth and flat. After passing the test, you can start spraying the paint. The original car still uses beige paint. Restore the texture of the original car. Come back at the end to make it clear. Resist scratches and improve texture. This paint is not bad, right? But it still needs to be polished. Our classic car still needs to maintain a new attitude. After completion, wait for the final loading stage. One by one, get on the bus one by one. Install the engine. Install the remaining parts. Shows that, what's that, you don't care more clear. Make what you need soon, you'll look enough for those who dip by the deal. But I swear what you're so very to sneak. The most crucial step is the 100-kilometer field test. Every classic car we've repaired requires this test. Time is the only criterion for testing truth. It's useless to talk too much. Let's meet the real chapter on the road. 100-kilometer test is stress-free. It's okay to even be four good brothers. This is the end of this Triumph 2000 repair video. See you next time.